Trigger Points Campaign. This campaign is a goal-based campaign, which is used as a punch card. After a set number of items have been purchased, the customer will receive their reward. Our system will track internal progress by point value assigned to products in the Manage Campaign filter section. Once the trigger point value amount has been reached, a reward is given to the customer. Reward type coupon. Customers can earn digital coupons as rewards for their purchases. These coupons can offer various types of benefits, such as a free item, a dollar amount off, or a percentage off after the customer has purchased the designated items. Static tokens. The static tokens reward allows customers to earn a set number of tokens when they buy certain products. Each product is assigned a fixed point value of 10. When the customer reaches a specific threshold, they will receive a predetermined token reward. Trigger Points per dollar value coupon. This type of reward is a campaign strategy that allows customers to earn trigger points based on their spending. When they accumulate enough points to meet a specific threshold, they will receive a coupon as a reward. The accumulation of trigger points is directly linked to the total dollar amount the customer spends. Trigger Points per dollar value tokens. In this campaign, customers earn trigger points for each dollar spent. These points build up with each purchase. Once a customer's total trigger points reaches a specific threshold, they will receive tokens as a reward.